What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the M2C arrma 3S motor mount kit. It's got a slight little bend to it. Yeah, this motor has some weight. In the package here, it comes with a screw, 2 washers, drill bit, the chassis brace, and the motor mount plate. I don't believe there's any install videos of this. That's the reason I'm doing one. I'm gonna be doing a video, well, editing a video that I have with the K8 EXB. Had an issue. I just got the out drives in, and but anyways, I was in the backyard doing a small bash session for the kids and stuff, and I had a landing that, honestly, it wasn't a bad landing. I've had way worse, and it kind of nosedived on me. It wasn't like a lawn dart, you know, straight down, but it did, the front end come down first and landed with the rear, and my front tower brace has a small bend in it, so batteries are done. I'm curious to see if the M2C chassis, I think the kick up in the front may have twisted. I'm not sure if it's got a bend or anything. I'm gonna I gotta shoot another part of the video. I've got the bash part, but I'm gonna get the ruler and, you know, check and make sure everything's still square. But alright guys, here's the motor mount plate. It's really nice. I think it's got the lip all the way around. I just wonder how it's going to hold up in these plastic, you know, mounts here. But we will see. Okay, give it a little wipe down. And I believe it's going to just go into place like that there. All my holes line up. The drill bit is actually, I believe, for lining up these holes, walling them out a little, because these things can warp, I think, or maybe even in the description, maybe he's talking about these have a little warp. I'm not sure, but mine seems to line up perfect. So let's go ahead and make sure my motor mount screws are long enough. Oh yeah, see, I'm gonna have to get a screw that's a tad longer, because that one, I want a few more threads biting into the motor. So I will be right back. Those two should do. See how much it gives us through the other side. Oh yeah, that's much better. Okay. Going to clean this up just a little. This has some old Loctite on it. Get out the good old Loctite. So on these. Okay. Washers. So there you guys go through. Now need to add something real quick. Fix the camera here. I'm gonna put just a dab Loctite there. Check. Sorry about the dogs. Clean up the old Loctite that was on the set pin screw here. Take you a wire brush or a little X-Acto knife and get down in the grooves, and then I'm going to add some more Loctite. Set screw started. Okay, now that I've got that set screw started, I'm gonna go ahead and it set in there. And set my mesh. That should be good right there. So go ahead and tighten this down. Done. Now I can set my mesh here, which make sure I'm lining up there. Okay. Just a hair. Oh. That looks good to me. Let me snug this. Okay. Okay. And just go ahead and place your cover back on. They don't really give you any instructions as far as where everything goes, but I'm wondering what these holes are for. Here, here, and there. Huh. Maybe there was another design for these three holes. If you guys know, in the description, please let me know. Oh, I see. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but these holes here have a small offset to them, especially this one up here. And that's what the drill bit's for, is to waller that hole out. But yeah, I'm gonna throw some Loctite on this. Get her back together, and that's pretty much it, guys. Well, hold on, I apologize. I know what it's for now. It's to fasten in your bracket here. So what we're gonna do, add a little Loctite. So these guys, and we'll get this slid into place. Last battery's done. Let's go ahead and push this through here. Okay, that's not for that. I apologize, guys. I'm seeing now what this was meant for. So we need our smaller screw. Okay, that's on there. Now, I'm thinking that this comes in from behind because it's not threaded. In this part, it's not threaded, so we're gonna go this way. That's it. Okay. Sorry, guys. This was, go ahead and unplug this. So, to properly install the chassis brace, this screw that comes in the kit goes through the back side here and threads in. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Alright guys, that's why I'm making this video, you know, to help others that purchase this, because I myself couldn't find any guides or anything on how to install this. So with that, now we just drop our, oh yeah, there we go, slipper clutch and spur gear in, put the plate back on, then drop these in. Make sure you're using Loctite, guys. You know, I Loctite anything that is going into metal. Okay, that one's gonna have to be drilled out some. I kind of cheated a little, guys. I took the screw, and instead of drilling this out, I took the screw and ran it in from behind, and we're gonna see if that helped the problem. Oh yeah, there we go. So, if you have a hole that's not quite lining up, well, obviously if it's just this hole, you can run the screw in through the back and it'll straighten that out for you. So that's done. Now we're gonna go ahead and slap it. Okay, well, the brace goes on last. I apologize again. So let's go ahead and get this mounted back up in here. So that's mounted in there. Now let's slide the brace in. They're snug. Okay, center brace back in, and you will be all good to go. Forgot the plastic collar. That's it, guys. Like I said, M2C motor mount, 3S, and chassis brace install. Hope this helps some of you guys out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey guys, one more thing. I almost forgot. You need to use this nut in the bolt here for the chassis brace, and the easiest way to get it out is thread it a couple times and then sit the camera down here and then take something, smack it out, unthread it, and then flip the truck over. Get you a pair of pliers, needle noses, and it's cut out so the flats, I don't know if you can see, so the flats can't move. Oh, try not to use a magnetic tool. Once you get that in, just slide you guys back in here. Once you get your nut, hold it with your finger and take your bolt. Go ahead and tighten it down. Okay, and now that is the complete install of the 3S M2C motor mount chassis brace kit. Yeah, I haven't seen a video of an install of this, so that's why I went ahead and made one. I'm sure some other guys will make something a little better. Appreciate you guys watching. Now I'm about to get this mounted back up and go out and give her a rip and see how she holds up. Be sure you check out that video. It'll be coming soon as well. See you guys in the next one.